Hello. Hi there, Tingwei. How are you doing today? That's great to hear. Have you been busy all day? It's okay. Well, I just would like to know if you are tired today or did you do a lot of things today? Yeah. But yeah, so how was your day so far? Nothing special. All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing your today with me. What have you done for today? So now we will proceed to our lesson, which is making contact. So now we are on page 12. Do you see number 6 there? Yeah, the number 6 activity. All right, very good. So now it says here that Kasia Janiak is accompanying Mr. Sims from the airport to his hotel. Look at the dialogue below and try to complete the gaps. What is the topic of the conversation? So now what I want you to do, I will provide you this as an activity and I want you to fill out the gaps. Whatever you may think can be applied, or you can put in anything you like as long as it should be correct. All right? Okay, then let me know once you are done. Okay? The, yes, the underlines there. You have to fill that out and let me know once you are done. Okay? All right, go ahead. Tingwei? Yes, are you okay? Are you having problems or are you good with what you are doing? Yeah, I see. Well, you can just do your best. If you really don't know what to put in there, it's okay. All right? Okay. I think you're missing one more. There. All right, very good. So now let us check what you did. First, Mr. Sim's line says, I can't believe it's so comfortable here. It makes a nice change from England. Very good. This is actually correct. Second, how was the weather when you left? Very good. Very good answer. You were able to guess correctly what the conversation is about. Next, it was the same as usual. Very good. The summer has been coming. Okay. So, they're coming. Actually, it will be much better if we will say the summer has been, or, mm, yeah, I think this is actually correct. It's been coming. Very good. Very good. Next, well, we've been very lucky here. The last couple of weeks have been very wet. Very good. Did you study this lesson before we did a class? All right, very good. You know what? You're really doing great here now. Do you normally get good summers here? It depends. Usually we get at least a few sunny days. Very good. But sometimes it rains a lot. I imagine the winters here must be pretty cool. Very good. Oh yes, sometimes it goes cold to -15. Wow, you're really amazing now. Well, at least it never gets that cold in England. The winter there is usually just gray and snow. Wow. Very good with this one. It can be quite depressing. Oh, well, I'm glad the weather is nice for your visit here. So, here, since you were able to completely and correctly fill out the blanks, could you please read this dialogue again for me alone? Mhm. Sure. I'll Very good question. Depressing means here, hold on. Um, this is how you should say it in your own way. I mean, in your own words. This. But in English terminology, depressing means sad, It can be a little hurtful, like that. Like, what happened, or should I say, um, my examination result is quite depressing because it is low. Why? Why do you think you should use depress? Mm, very good. Yes, that is correct. You were able to put in the word correctly in the sentence, and yes, that is the meaning of the word depressing. And you're most welcome. Also, it should be pronounced as de pre, depressing, not depressing. Depre. No, don't put Y or I. No, it's not depre. It will be much better if you will say depressing. Pre. Can you do Yeah, can you do that? Depressing. All right, much better. Now here, very good with that one. So now, could you please read this for me? M- minus. Mhm. Very good. Wow, with the expressions. I love it. Now, here, could you please pronounce this word for me again? Okay. So, again, it is a long A. So it should be a sound, it should sound makes. Very good. How about this word? Can you please pronounce this? Okay. Actually, this is also a long A, so it should be pronounced as change. Change. Very good. How about this word? How do you pronounce this? Okay, so this is a short E, and it should sound like E. So it's wet. Very good. Wet. Very good. How about this word? How do you pronounce this word? Yeah, we have talked about it before, right? So it's usually. Very good, very good. How about this word? How do you pronounce this? Okay. So this is actually a long E, and it should be pronounced as E, not E. Very good. At least. So it's long E. E. At least. Very good. Very perfect with that one. And thank you so much for giving me correct answers. Now let us proceed to the next activity. And um, hold on, please. And now let's go to number 7 activity, which is page 14. Do you see the page? There. Yes, popular small talk topics. It is a topic everybody can talk about. So now, as far as you understand each word given here, what I want you to do is to categorize if it is describing a temperature, the sky, or it has something to do with water. I will give you an example. Cloudy is for the sky. Damp is it has something to do with the water. And cold, it has something to do with the temperature. So now, fill this 6 boxes using the rest of the words. All right, and let me know once you are done. All right. All right. So you don't have any words to do with water? I see. So before we answer this one, before we check this one, I would like to know what are the words that you are confused or that you want to know what is the meaning. So, oh, there. That's okay. So, no worries about that. First, let's do the drizzling. This is the meaning of drizzling in your own words. And you should pronounce this as uh, it is a long E. Oh, sorry, short E. Eh. It should be eh. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Short I. It's Drizzling. Drizzling. Very good. Drizzling. Oh, not drizzling, but it's drizzling. Yeah, like this. Drizzling. There. And drizzling, did you see the meaning of that word in your own language? Yeah, so here, one more. It means to sprinkle. Sprinkle, yeah. Like this. The drizzling means like you are showering something. Like you are drizzling the plants. You are showering the plants. Like that. Yeah. Drizzling is as the same as showering. Do you know what shower means? Yes, like that. Simple as that. Yeah. Yeah. The small drops before the heavy ones. That's what you call the drizzling. Yes. And this hazy, in your own words or in your own language, this is the definition. There. It is foggy, it is cloudy, smoggy. Like for example, you will go in a mountain or you will go in a mountain and you will encounter some places wherein you will not see anything aside from white clouds like fogs, like that. It's what you called hazy. Yeah, it is the same as the mini cloudy. Yeah. And the word hazy should be pronounced with a long A. Yeah, so it's A. There. There. Hazy. Yes. It's like lazy, but it's an H. Hazy. Yeah. So again, what do you mean by drizzling? Yeah, what do you understand with the word drizzling? Very good. And how about the hazy? How do you define? Very good. So now mild. Let's go with the word mild. In your own words or language, this is what mild means. Do you see the word or the definition? It means, yeah, it means that it is not in weather. It means it is not cold. Okay? In other words, it means it is not cold. And mild is a long I. Yeah, so it's mild. There, yeah, long I. It is the same as not cold. It's like it's just it's just okay, it's normal. Okay? Yeah, it's like normal, it's like okay. Yeah, you got it. Okay, very good. Now for overcast in your own words. Yeah, this is the meaning of the word overcast. Yes. Did you see that? Or in other words, it is also the same as cloudy. It is, yeah, it is covered with clouds. It is like covered, the mountain is covered with clouds. Or you can say the mountain is overcasted. Yes. So again, yeah. What do you mean? Overcast. So it's covered. The difference between hazy and overcast is just it's there is one specific thing which is covered with clouds, like the tree or the tree is covered with clouds, or the tree is overcast. Unlike when you use hazy, which is like foggy or cloudy, the weather is hazy, like that. Did you get it? All right, good. So here, another definition for overcast, or an example of overcast sentence is here. I will give you out an example, one more example. Ominous clouds began to overcast the sky, meaning ominous, yeah, ominous clouds began to cover with clouds the sky. Ominous. Do you know? Yeah, do you know what the ominous clouds are or is? All right, let me go ahead and give you an example of what does it looks like. It is like something dark, and it looks like it has a lot of water in it. Let me know if you can see the picture. Did you see the picture now? Maybe it's loading because it's quite big. Did you now see the picture below the box? Yes, gray, cloudy sky. And that what is an ominous cloud is. Okay? All right. So now, a yeah, in related to the sentence, it says ominous clouds began to overcast the sky. As you can see in the picture, you can say ominous clouds began to cover the sky, right? So that is the meaning of overcast. But if we will use hazy, we are pertaining to foggy, smoggy weather. So, like for example, here the English or the sentence that I provided, today is a hazy weather. Because I can say that today is a very cloudy weather. Do you need more clarification? No, I did not. I just put it on the comment on the right part of the box. As you can see, the word hazy, I put there an example, which is today is a hazy weather. You see that? Okay, very good. Hazy, hazy. Very good. Very good. And you can also say, or it is similar as, or as the same as, today is a foggy or cloudy or smoggy weather. Yeah, it's the same. Okay? And not to confuse you as well, Tingwei, hazy and overcast words are actually synonym to each other. Do you know what synonym means? Yeah. So here, okay, hold on. Did I deleted something? I think I did. Overcast. There. So let me tell you. Synonyms means the same meaning. Antonyms are the words with different meaning. You get it? Okay. So, like what I said a while ago, um, overcast and hazy are synonyms. You got it? Very good. Now, I will highlight this for you there. Do you now understand the meaning of the word overcast and the word hazy? Yeah, which is almost the same. Yeah. All right, very good. Now, for the pouring. Yeah, hold on. Let me just put back what has been erased here. Give me a very good second. Okay, there. Okay, so now I will give you the meaning of the word pouring in your own definition. using the Taiwanese language. So, here's the meaning of the word pouring. Yeah, that is correct. We will use short U, pouring, pouring, there. So it is actually flowing or falling in other terms. Like the rain is flowing, the rain is pouring. Yes, it's heavy rains, like that. Very good example. So let me just put in pouring and pouring, pour, pouring. There. There's actually a short U. Oh no, sorry. It's actually a long O. Pouring. Yeah, it's actually a short O, a long O, sorry, which should sound O. Very good. Pouring. There. I'm sorry to confuse you as well. So there, pouring. Very good. So here, do you now understand what's the meaning of the word pouring? Very good. Yes, great. Now for the row. Oh, sorry, let me check it first. So now, did you understand what's the meaning of drizzling? Yeah, sprinkle like shower, like light rains, right? Yes. How about hazy? Very good. How about mild? Mild? Yes. Yes, very good. I like it. And how about overcast? Do you know what's the meaning of that word? Very good. How about pouring? Very good. Now for the word roasting. Yes, so this is what roasting means in your own words. Did you see that? All right. So, one word, oh, should I say, one more thing that we can use for roasting is, oh, hold on. Here, it's exceedingly hot, like you're actually burning. You're like a chicken being roasted, like that. Yeah, the weather in the south is roasting. Okay, for an example sentence. And yeah, is that all the words that you wanted to know? Do you have any more? Yeah, one, two, three, four, five, six. All six words, right? Okay, great. So again, what do you mean by roasting? Very good. So now that we were able to determine the words for this or the meaning of these words, can you now put that on the boxes here? All right, very good. Wow, very good, very good. This is actually great. I mean, you got it all correct, so. Oh, hold on, sorry. There, very good with your answers. I really appreciate it. So now that you were able to determine everything on this activity, we will apply it on the next activity. On the next page 15, it says there, now use words from the table to complete these sentences. Now all you have to do is to fill in the blanks. What do you think is the most appropriate word? All right. All right, so let us check. First, it smiled today. Very good. It's correct. Next, it was cloudy yesterday morning. Very good. Very good. Very good. It was drizzling yesterday evening. Very good. After the cloudy morning, it rains in the evening. Very good. Continuation of the questions. Now, the weather during my last business trip was mild. Okay, very good. You are really comprehending well. I want to congratulate you for that, Tingwei. It means that you are really learning a lot. Wow. So here. Okay, we will proceed to our next activity. But since we were unable to hear the audio, okay, we cannot do that for now. But here. Mm-hmm. Oh, all right. So I just would like to know, do you have working headset, right? Think, okay. Let us do this activity. What I want you to do is to click on track 06 on page 16. 16, yes. Click on track 06 and click on the link provided there. Did you see the link? Okay. Oh, I see. So we cannot do any audio classes for now. Okay, it's okay. I mean, we cannot do audio activities for now. So here, hmm, what I will do, I will go ahead and do this as an assignment. Okay? What I will do is I will translate this audio to texts for you. The activity 8 and 9. Okay? So there. So that we can continue with this lesson. Now, can you tell me, or are you on page 18? Can you please go to page 18? Okay. And can you read this talking about plans for me? Mm-hmm. All right, very good. Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. So, here. First, can you please read this word again for me? Okay, very good. Again, it should be pronounced as long A, so it's ways. Yeah, ways. So let me type it there. So, how about this next word? How do you pronounce this? Very good. Modal, modal, or model. Modal or model. Very good. Either of the two should follow. And then, how about this word? How do you pronounce these? Might. Okay, and again, this should sound long I. Might. Okay. And then, how about this word? How do you pronounce this? Okay, so it's not present, but it's present. All right, present. Very good. Yes, okay. I will differentiate that for you. So this is actually short E, which is E. And the other one that you were saying is the present. Actually, it's not presentation, but it's presentation. Yeah, it's not presentation, but it's presentation. Yeah. Present tense presentation. All right, so you got it now. All right. Next, how about this word? How do you pronounce this? All right, it's actually will. Will, not well. We will use short I for this one. Will, like will. Very good. Will. Okay, great. How do you pronounce this word again? Very good. So now, do you know how to use can, could, might, should? It's etc. Very good. Sorry, I forgot to highlight it because you said a while ago, should and so on. Actually, etc means etc., which means so on and so forth. Like more than that, like more than the examples given. Can, could, might, should, would, and many more like that. You got it? And yeah, that's actually the same meaning as so on and so forth, or many, many more. That's etc. Very good. Etc. There. Etc. There. Very good. So, do you still have further questions for this one? Okay, very good. So now again, I would like to remind you of our assignment for our next meeting, which will be number 8, activity 8, and activity 9. All right? Not really review, but actually this is an assignment for me wherein I will be the one to to convert the audio to texts in order for you to answer these activities. Okay? All right. So, do you have any questions for me tonight before we end this? Might. So, if you will be considering something, let me add that. Like, for example, yeah, like that. I thought you might like to check into your hotel first. It's like you're giving them consideration that would you want to check your hotel first? Like that? Or um sorry? No, what's your question? Yes, yes. Yes, correct. That is correct. So, do you have let me type it in there as well. Suggestions, um, options like that. Okay, for the word might. Okay. S- So, do you have any questions for me tonight? Alright. You're most welcome, Tingwei, and I would like to again congratulate you for improving a lot on this lesson today. And I hope you enjoyed our class. You're most welcome. You have a great night ahead, okay? Bye now.